Hello, welcome to Learning with Ms. H. Today I'm going to show you guys how to copy and paste in a spreadsheet without losing any custom formatting. So if you just pick something from here in column D, click copy, and then click in column B and paste it in here, it's going to delete any formatting that's present, and this spreadsheet is set up to automatically turn green if you have a correct answer. So to get around that, you either have to type directly into this box, or you're going to have to copy and paste up here on this top line in this text entry box at the top of the page. So right above your column letters, it has this line with an FX. That's where you're going to want to copy and paste into. And then when you hit enter, your custom formatting is still there. And if it's correct, it turns green. If it is incorrect, it will not turn green. And then if you're wrong, you can just delete it by clicking back up to it and clicking delete. If we were to just paste directly in here and hit enter, you're going to see it does not turn green because it also copies over the conditional formatting from the previous cell. So again, click on the column D entry that you want, copy, click where it belongs in column B, go up to the top line and paste in the line above the column labels, hit enter, and it will tell you if it's the right answer or not. Once it turns green, go ahead and come over here to the D column and delete it, because each one of these is only used once, and you won't use it again. So just delete it to make sure you remember that that's no longer a possible answer. That's all there is to it. We'll see you next time.